Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to cancel your Codecademy Pro subscription, you have come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps together to make it quick and easy. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com. You can open any browser you like. Simply open codecademy.com. Once you have logged in into your account, as you can see, I am already logged in. Now, simply go tap on a profile icon, and in here you can see different options. Simply click on account plus billing. In the account section menu, click on the payment and plan option. As you can see here, payment and plan option. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see an option saying I want to end my subscription. If you have taken the subscription, it will come up like this to say you want to end your subscription. Simply click on it. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure, and if you are sure you can simply click no thanks, I want to cancel, and with that you will be able to do that. Next, you will be prompted to select a reason for cancelling. Choose the option that fits your situation. Finally, click on cancel my subscription to complete the process, and that's it. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, after which it will automatically deactivate. If you ever decide to return, your progress will be saved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and happy coding.